Few most important settings are shutter speed, gain, white balance, and zoom ring. Our first setting is shutter speed. Shutter speed is how quickly the shutter closes. Fast shutter speed lets in less light, and slower shutter speed lets in more. Gain. This setting adjusts light sensitivity to help you achieve the right exposure. In darker setting, increase the gain, but too high can make your footage grainy. White balance. This setting ensures color look natural under different lighting conditions. Zoom ring. By rotating zoom ring, we can change the focal length of camera.